Hi ladies, do you feel like you need to cross your legs and hope for the best if you sneeze, cough or laugh too much? I hear this so often from our ladies moving through our 28-day Move with Ease program, and it is not about muscle weakness, it is about a decline in integrity of the cartilage in the pelvic floor itself. So we can strengthen that area, and I'm going to show you a few ways to do that now. All right, all you're going to need for this is a bolster. If you don't have one, 2 pillows can be stacked on top of one another, or a block, and if you don't have a block, maybe just a little cushion. So the first one we want to bring in is a gentle stretch of that area to just keep the muscles and the hip flexors nice and flexible. We probably don't want to overstretch that area, and therefore we'll use our bolster here as a nice option to support our sit bones. So all you're going to do is bring your feet nice and wide, toes point out, heels in, and then bring your hands to the inside, palms press in here. So a much gentler variation than the traditional one here. We also don't want to put too much downward pressure on that pelvic area and make things worse. Next, we want to focus on strengthening the pelvic floor area. So we're going to come into a nice tabletop. A nice way to just stretch the spine is through our cat-cow. Once you feel comfortable with that, we'll engage the core here. So draw your belly in, extend one leg out, and then gently curl your knee to nose. We're starting to add a little bit of support structure in the support muscles here around the pelvic area. And then if you want to take this a little bit further, you'll extend the arm and you can curl elbow to knee. So make sure that you repeat the other side just to keep the strength balanced on each side. The next one will come on to our back. Using that cushion or your block, pop that in between your legs here and then come down onto the ground. We're going to press the feet into the floor here and then gently inhale and relax your belly. Let the belly expand here. As you exhale, we'll draw the belly in and then squeeze your bathroom muscle. Yeah, beautiful. And just feel the sensations of that action. Inhale, relax. Exhale. Might take a little while to just get that right. Belly in, pelvic floor up. And what I'd like for you to think is this is not a force. It's a nice gentle pull of the pelvic floor up. Right, when you're ready, we'll add just a little bit more intensity here. Inhale. Exhale, draw the belly in, pelvic floor up, squeeze the block, and then you can lift your hips off the ground. So you can start with one variation, just keeping the pelvis on the floor, and then once you progress, you want to add a little bit more strength, you can start adding the pelvic lift. So I hope these little exercises help you. We at Kindred Warrior focus often on strengthening the pelvic floor and supporting not just the general muscles of the body, but also the internal support muscles that support our entire body. We can't wait to see you on the mat here at Kindred Warrior, and comment pelvic floor below if you would like a longer guide to pelvic floor health. Namaste.